particular diamond was extra special. You know you might be gone, the world may not know. Still I see you celestial, and I should, but I can't let you go. There's a lot that you give me when I'm in shadow. There's a feeling within me, evermore. Like brothers in blood, my sisters who ride. Yeah, we swore all that we'd be friends till we died. But the changing of winds and the way waters flow, life is short as the falling of snow. And now I'm gonna miss you, I know. But when I'm I know you're always with me, I know you will show, and you're with me wherever I go. And you give me this feeling, this everglow. What I wouldn't give for just a moment to hold, because I live for this feeling, this everglow. So if you love someone, you should let them know that the light that you give them will ever grow.
God is watching me. God don't praise me because I beat Joe Frazier. God don't give a nothing about Joe Frazier. God don't care nothing about even America as far as your wealth. That's all he is. He wants to know, how do we treat each other? How do we help each other? So I'm gonna dedicate my life to using my name and popularity, helping charities, helping people, uniting people, bring people bumping each other because of religious beliefs. We need somebody in the world to help us make peace. So when I die, if there's a heaven, I want to see it.